February 24th, 2008, roughly 7:15 in the morning, and I'm here in downtown San Francisco near Macy and Geary Street. We came down into this area last night and actually stayed in this hotel here at the Handlery, which is a very, very convenient location. Look at these beautiful fire escapes. We had a very exciting evening because we went to a place called Asia SF, which is a very entertaining restaurant actually that features performers of transgendered beautiful young ladies that actually get a chance to come into the crowd and interact with the audience. And they're actually very friendly, very bright. I was very impressed because a couple of the ladies that I was talking to, one was a registered nurse, the other one actually works for a non-profit organization and I think has a background in sociology. So these folks are pretty amazing, well-educated individuals that are outstanding performers and entertainers, and we had a chance to talk to the owner, Skip Young, who is now actually expanding and planning to open 6 or 8 more such restaurants. So it was a pretty interesting evening. I got up early. Oh, look at this here. We're on Powell Street. And here's one of the old Powell streetcars. All open, and well, there's a little glass enclosed area in the back. We haven't taken one of those yet, but I'm sure we will. And the place where I've arrived here, let me go across while I'm here, is Union Square. And oops, Union Square is one of the most well-known areas in San Francisco, and it's actually known for its shopping. So there's lots of shopping around here, as you can see. Different kinds of stores. There's Tiffany & Co. up there. What's up here? I just saw Saks Fifth Avenue. Very, very interesting. I think there's a Nordstrom not far away. There's a big mall that they were telling me about. And yeah, so this is sort of a very, very popular area. There's lots of hotels around here, and as you can tell, a lot of the architecture is from the early part of the 20th century, probably the 1910s, 1920s. And Macy's is right here, as you can see. Armani underwear right here at Macy's. And yeah, so this is a very, very popular area. We haven't been too lucky with the weather in the last day and a half, unfortunately. Yesterday we had a storm come in. They were announcing that we were supposed to have 70-kilometer gusts of wind and rain, and we obviously did. Chinese New Year's was on yesterday, and when we came down here we sort of bumped into the outskirts of the parade. We didn't join in though because the weather, I tell you, the weather was absolutely miserable, and we just wanted to go into the hotel and warm up a little bit. But yeah, this is Union Square early in the morning on a Sunday morning. The plan for today, we're heading up into the Napa Valley. We've got a tour booked with a company called Incredible Adventures, and what's unique about that, it's all done in biodiesel buses, so it's fully environmentally sustainable, so that'll be interesting. I've never been in a biodiesel bus. That'll be interesting. A little look around here. Neiman Marcus on the other corner, and this is a 360-degree view of Union Square in San Francisco.